Hey guys, it's Carolyn from All Day I Dream About Food, and I want to introduce you to someone who is very special to me. This is my new baby, my new oven. I have needed a new oven for a while now. I've had one that was completely unreliable. If I tried to get it to temperature, it would say it was at temperature, but my internal thermometer told me it wasn't even close. Or you could get it to temperature, but then the temperature would start to fall as things baked. Made my job really hard to do. So here it is, my beautiful new oven, and it is supposed to be one of the most reliable in the industry, which should make my job significantly easier. And it should make it better for my recipes so I can be more exact with times and temperatures. Anyway, my baby here does not have a name yet. And so I thought I might run a little contest. This is out of my own pocket and sponsored only by me, but I thought what we might do is have you guys suggest names for my lovely new oven, and I will pick the top 3 names that I like. Then we will do a little polling and see what everybody else likes, and the top choice will be the name of the oven. And the winner will receive a special care package from me with lots of keto baking goodies. Now keep in mind, I cannot send these things overseas. It costs just too much money. So it needs to be within the US or Canada. So who wants to play a fun little game? Name the oven.